Here is how to fix corrupted update files in Steam. So first, you need to open the Steam application on your device and log into your specific account. After that, click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of your screen and select Settings. Now go to the Downloads tab, which is between Library and Storage. From here, you need to scroll down and select Download Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache and then click on Confirm. And Steam will restart, and once it reopens, check if the issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, go back to Steam and then select Settings. Now select the Storage tab, which is between Downloads and Cloud. Click on the three dot next to your storage drive and select Repair Library and wait for the process to finish. This will scan and fix corrupted or missing files in your Steam library. Close the window and check again. If the issue affects only one game, close the window and go to your library. Then after, right-click on the game, select Properties, then click on Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check and replace any corrupted files. Wait until the scan reaches 100% and then try launching or updating the game again. In most cases, this will fix the corrupted update files error and allow your game to download properly. So these are the most effective ways to fix this issue in Steam. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.